weight class, from Brown, Trey Keeley. And from Penn, Jeremy Shores. Next in the 133-pound weight class, from Brown, Jimmy Kowalski or Nick Latanzi. And from Penn, Tristan DiVincenzo. In the 141-pound weight class, from Brown, Zeke Salvo or Charlie Banizak. And from Penn, AJ Vindici or Patrick Munn. At 149, from Brown, Travis Vasquez. From Penn, Joe Oliva. In the 157-pound weight class, from Brown, William McDonald. And from Penn, May Bethea. At 165, from Brown, John Virouette or Richard Muniz. From Penn, Brooks Martino or Joe Bellaquette. At 174, from Brown, Andrew Labrie or Galloway Thurston. And from Penn, number 10, right, Casey Kent or Brian Krasowski. At 184, from Brown, CJ LaFragola. And from Penn, Joe Haya. At 197, from Brown, Tucker Ziegler or Josh Durso Finley. And from Penn, number 15, ranked Frank Mattias or Robert End. And finally,